outside. Check stop. 18
Well, yeah,
stop.
it's the original modified.
42, even.
Yeah, and touch wheels.
Well, if you take the sheet metal off, we're going to touch wheels in this.
Touche.
It'd probably be worse. It doesn't have anything like the bars on the side of modified and stuff.
Get ready, going green. Pace car's leaving.
Get launched over the fence trying to go into one.
Exactly.
Green flag, green flag. 37.322 inside. Stay right there. Clear. Got one outside. Stay low. Clear to the top. Outside. 22.162. Keep to the bottom. Keep low. Clear outside.
That was a good battle there, 7. Yeah, I was trying to stay off here.
20.97.
My front tires are going.
.159. Got one outside. That car is a lap down. Clear outside. .1.957. 10 laps to go. Got one outside. Still there. Clear. Got one outside. 21.406. Keep to the bottom. Clear outside. That car is a lap down. Got one inside. Clear to the bottom. Got one inside. Stay right there. Clear. 23.515. Got one inside. Inside. Still there. Clear to the bottom. Got one inside. Clear. Outside. Clear. 23.537. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Line of single file. Pit road is closed. Slow car up high.
M11, you're in another zip code
Check
there.
stop, 5 stop. Pit road is now open.
I'm sorry that I'm jumping all the starts, guys, but I really want to avoid all this shit. Nah, man, you're the leader. You go when you want to go.
You're totally good. Like, you're not going like in the middle of the corner. You're going in a respectable part. I'm not even upset with it.
Alright. Well, I can't force myself to go on green because I know I'm going to get caught up in the zone.
5 laps to go.
Yeah, man, you're fine. Like I said, you're the leader, so you pick when that happens. But yeah, that last run, like the top 4 of us, man, we kind of checked out.
Yeah, we really did.
Lucky dog going high. Lucky dog going high. Lucky dog.
Lift off 3, Cowboy.
Just wish I hadn't burnt the front tires off my truck. I feel like I could contend with you guys. I'm pretty much just riding back there.
Yeah, and this track is so weird. If you push it, you're gonna grade them fast, but if you just take it easy, you're gonna last for 200 laps.
take it easy. How? I've been trying to take it easy. I get rear-ended.
I'm saying for me.
Yeah, and I mean, usually I could take care of them pretty good, but spinning out early and having to drive back through the field, I think, hurt them.
Oh, that's true, yeah. You had to drive back through?
Yeah, me and the 17 both did.
Yeah.
I'm kind of confused with my hurt engine, how am I able to keep up with that, you guys?
Big
I'm
road
happy
is
if I
closed.
finished third, spun and got back up here.
Maybe it's the shifting.
Is there pretty much records?
One I believe.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
And don't worry about one, I'm gonna try not to get into you. I can't promise that though.
Oh, you're fine.
Top about 15, Tom.
Jerry Hamlin did the third game. Okay.
Green flag, next time by.
Nah,
Line
I
up
don't
on the
think
outside.
nothing.
Catch about 15, Tom. Looks like this is the final time we'll try for a green, white chicken finish. 43,
That's right, I'm just jumping up away.
The hatch coming 18. I'm up to 16X now.
Ready?
I'm a 12.
Pace car's in. Green, green, green. Need to go stretch. 34.317. Outside. 3 wide. You're on the bottom. Clear. Outside. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Let us
Well, that's three, fellas.
on.
That one was my fault.
White
I
flag
hit the
next time
brakes
by a
and
strike.
rear-ended and slid straight up the track.
I did the 12.
Pit road is now open.
Damn, one more spot to make money.
Good win there, 11.
Thank you.
Catch about 21, Tom.
Hey, Magnus, you just cost yourself a second place finish, bud.
Catch about 4, Tom. Catch about 21,
Yeah, I
Tom.
did. I thought that was the last lap. When we crossed at the last.
That's the checkered flag.
Damn it, I shouldn't have said nothing.
Thanks,
Great
when I
job, driver.
apologized already. Boy, what a moron.